morning, everyone. It's Eliza Paulson again. A quick thing that I wanted to share with you today. Today is TGIF. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, but I'm not working, so it still applies. Thankful that it's so sunny outside, and hopefully it's not gonna snow. It won't snow on Sunday, but still thankful. And anyways, I'm just gonna share with you that today, Friday, January the 22nd, my friend Tara will drive me to Surrey Cancer Clinic because I have a schedule for my radiologist planning. If you have been doing a radiation, you would know what that is. I have done this one before when I had my breast cancer, but I have to do it again because we are going to do a treatment on my lower back and my upper back because it's spread on my lower back and my upper spine. So they have to do a quick radiation as possible. That's why my chemotherapy. Oh, it's showing my. Let's hide that. Yeah. They postponed, my oncologist postponed my chemo on February the 3rd, and instead we're gonna do my radiation planning today, and I'm gonna start on Tuesday, January the 26th, my radiation. That will be 10 treatments. So after that, I will have, after 10 days of radiation treatments, I have 4 to 5 days to recuperate and get strong, a little energy, because after that I will have my doctor's appointment, I have my test, I have my blood works, and I will have my chemo. Yay! Chemo. Month of February is love treatments for Eliza. I'm ready. I am ready. No matter what, we can do this. Yes, we can do this. As they say, what's that? Love? All right, let's love it, because these treatments will help me. It will help for my tumor, spreading cancer on my spine. All I kind of wish, fingers crossed, all I kind of wish is that no harsh side effects, because we don't want side effects. But one thing that I'm loving lately is my steroids, because it's not giving me any pain when I haven't had it. Because my husband just winged me with this, and then when I had my first initial appointment with Dr. Zhao, he's my new radiologist anyways, and he gave me a steroids, which I'm loving it because I don't feel any pain. Before he gave me, I was actually starting to feel some pain on my back, but now no. And this is the beginning. No, actually it began already, This is my second day that I've been hyper, not hyper that I'm doing too much. Well, I still listen to my body because that's really important. I try, I've been trying to walk couple or few steps around the house in the living room, see how many steps or how long or distance I can walk without my walker, because I don't want to rely and depend so much on my walker. But today we will take this to Surrey Clinic because it's a little bit far to walk. And my friend will probably push me. She's really nice. I love her. All right, I will, what I'm gonna say. See, this is the thing too that I don't like. I'm lost with my words most of the time. I will update you later on again. When it times to, because I still have to talk to my oncologist about the last MRI that I did on the, I can't remember, just recently, I think last Monday, Sunday. Yeah. I need the result with that one, and then from there to blood works to appointments and then chemo. All right, everyone, have a blessed day. Enjoy the sunshine while we still have it, because, well, weather said we're gonna have a snow on Sunday. Hopefully not, but it's okay. It will, because we know Vancouver is a raincouver. It will snow the next day or few hours. It will rain and snow is gone. Anyway, God bless everyone. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Be happy. All right? Toodaloo. Bye-bye for now.